There are 5 things that startup ask before they provide you funding. Number 1, what problem are you trying to solve? Number 2, who are your customers? Number 3, who are your competitors? Number 4, how are you better than your competitors? Are you better than them? Are you faster than them? Are you cheaper than them? And number 5, what is your business model? Like, how are you going to actually make money? So for business model, there is a thing called business model canvas, which is a 1-page plan that you would need to fill. And I would encourage you to fill that even if you're looking for investment or not, because that gives you a very nice snapshot of startup. So if you have a startup idea, the very first step is to actually fill that business model canvas. Where to find that? You can actually go on aamirqutub.com, my website, aamirqutub.com, and download the business model canvas from there. Fill it. Now, it doesn't need to be accurate, because the whole lean startup methodology is based on the assumption that whatever you are thinking is going to work. These are all hypotheses. Hypothesis is basically not a truth, but it's a theory. That's something that you form in your mind. So for example, if you're thinking that my startup will solve this problem, now that's a hypothesis. That's what you are thinking. If you are thinking that my startup is going to serve these customers, that's again a hypothesis as well. And so you form all of these hypotheses, and then you put it in business model canvas, and then you test it with the market. Now, when you initially do market research, you sort of come back and you revise your business model canvas. So business model canvas is not a document that you would create and then put it in a file. It's something that you will create, put it up like in a room somewhere, and then go through your business model canvas every week and revise that. And you keep on revising that until like for a year or two, sometimes for 3 or 4 years, unless you get your business model perfect, unless you get a startup that's actually profitable, and that startup that is actually